Okay, I've got the wheel off, and I'm not too sure if you can see this here. Get you in a better spot. Right there, where I'm shining my flashlight, that's your thermal sensor. And the cable goes all the way up top of the radiator, right here. This is what you gotta take out, right here, this part. Okay, I got the thermal sensor out. This is what it looks like right here. As you can tell, not much to it. So to drain the radiator, I just took the thermal sensor out and let it drain from there. As you can tell, it's draining right now. Got a catch pan for it, and I'll just put new fluids in there. That way I know I got nice fresh coolant. I did change it at the beginning of last year when I bought this machine, but it won't hurt. I put some fresh stuff in there, that's for sure. It's cheap enough, so. And this is where the plug would be. As you can see right there, the coolant's coming out. That's where your thermal sensor is. Not much to it, so I'm going to move over to the thermostat here as soon as this gets drained and get that done. Okay, as you can tell here, I've received my parts. Here's my thermal sensor, and here's my thermostat right here. So I've already taken out the old thermal sensor on the ATV, and at the moment I'm taking the thermostat off. Here's the cover, here's the thermostat, taking out the old one, and I noticed that they had put some sealant here, right here. So I'll probably do the same, but it shouldn't leak from there, because the seal for the thermostat is a little gasket, or that little O-ring right here. So here we are, there we have it. So now there's going to be a way to put this. I'm assuming it's going to point up. This part here is going to point up, I guess. I'll have to look at the manual to make sure. Okay, so I've got the thermostat in. Manual states that make sure you get the bleed holes pointing towards the top bolt. So the thermostat I have here has got 3 bleed holes. So I'm going to take the top one, I guess, whichever one, put it in, and have it pointing to the top bolt, which is right here. Now also on the thermostat cover, I put a thin coat of silicone, high temp silicone, and I've also put some on the bolts just to seal them up. So I'm going to put this on, finger tighten it until it squeezes out a little bit on the sides, and then let it sit for about an hour, then tighten it up.